Hello everyone, my name is Tridhir Pandey. I'm an athlete. I played a national in three different sports. I started basketball and then switched to volleyball, and after that I found my love in boxing. So from last 10 years I played amateur boxing. I played 24 different fights, state level, district and national, even All India University also. And recently I signed a contract for a professional boxing. So hopefully maybe after this lockdown I will start my professional boxing. And I'm here as an Oxy athlete, and I'm highly recommend guys go try this product. I'm using this product from last 4 months, and I found like really a good their matcha bar, and there's different products so you can try, and you can go on website also. And if you're not subscribed yet this channel, please go subscribe, like and share. And today we are covering two different things. First is boxing basics, how you can start boxing basics in your home or anywhere you can start, on terrace or on a ground, wherever you have a good place. And the second thing is why boxing is good for cardio. Okay, so let's start guys. So first thing we cover how you can start boxing basics. So boxing guard, first we cover boxing guard. Okay, and there is two different guard. First is orthodox, that means if you are righty you can choose orthodox, and the second one is southpaw, that means if you are a lefty you can go in southpaw. And it's not compulsory, but if you are orthodox, your right hand is always behind and left hand in the front, and if you are southpaw, that means your right hand in the front and left hand behind. So it's just switch the stance. Okay, it's very simple. So first, how you go into guard position. Okay, so I'll show you guard position. First, both feet together. Okay, now from here, hands relax, make a L proper. So first, both feet together, open your toes point outside, right leg. So I'm here covering, first one is orthodox. Okay, if you are righty, so right leg outside, and after that twist your toes point straight. Okay, so make a straight line, and after that little bit step behind. So this is your guard position. Okay, whenever you go into guard position, make sure two simple thing. Okay, your toes point should not come in same line, and your toes point, if I make a single line from your toes point, your toes and front heel should not touch together. Okay, your back leg should be always on toe. Okay, now come to the hand movement. So your right hand, if you are righty, I am covering first one is righty. If your right hand close to the right oblique, and chin and your wrist may keep close to the chin, and left hand in the front. Okay, if you just started you can keep here both hands. Okay, otherwise like different boxer you saw, if you follow boxing you can find few boxer keeping their left hand here, few keeping here or here. So they are like pro and they are doing boxing from long time. But if you just started boxing, the basic thing is keep your guard like this. Your elbow should be inside the rib. Okay, elbows inside, never goes out, elbows in. Chin down. The important thing is chin down, never look straight. Okay, chin down, head down, and shoulders slightly roll down. Okay, now from here, just find the good balance in your both feet. So both feet means 50% your body weight, 50% on your back leg, and 50% on your front leg. So stand into nice and easy position. Same thing is totally reverse for a southpaw, that means if you are lefty. So just bring your front leg, back leg in the front and front leg behind. Now here, left hand close to the face and right hand close to the face. So it's totally just switch the stance. That's it. So here and again look straight always, chin down, and yes, this is the guard position. So once you find a good balance in your on guard, now I'm showing you how you can do footwork. Okay, so first very basic thing, on guard, make sure elbows inside. Now I'm showing you two step front and back. So lead with the front leg, nice and easy, and same thing backward. The simple thing during footwork, make sure look straight, look your opponent, imagine someone stand in front of you, and when you go in the front, your back leg is never cross your front leg. So step forward and cover. So suppose if you left leg, take a this much step, right leg cover with that much distance, and then back. Now I'm showing you from sideways, watch again. So 1, 2, same thing, 1 and 2. So this is boxing step. In upcoming videos, I'll show you the sideways also, how you can go right side or left side, or you can merge all four things together. So this is boxing footwork. So we covered boxing footwork and boxing guard. Now next one is boxing punch, how you can start first punch, the main punch. I think everyone heard about this, jab. So jab is first, once you find a good balance in your guard, once you find a good balance in your hand movement, shoulders slightly rolled forward. Now jab is your forearm facing forward and both hands close to the ear, okay, below the ear. Now from here, jab. So when you jab, make sure hands and legs together go in the front. I'll show you one more time. Jab, okay, when you jab, make sure your thumb parallel to the nose, your knuckles slightly down, okay, not straight, not up and not all the way down, slightly down, okay, and your shoulder should cover your chin. So I'm showing you from sideways also. So from here, punch. So make sure when you punch, your shoulder should cover your chin, okay, and punch straight forward. Come back to the same position. So jab and back, jab and back. So once you find a good balance in your on guard, in your footwork movement, you can start first punch of boxing and main punch of boxing, jab. Okay everyone, so we already covered boxing basics. Now come to the next one, why boxing? Okay, so boxing is very good for cardio, and like mostly people, mostly sports person and celebrities, they do boxing instead of their cardio movements. And boxing is very good for hand and eye coordination. And while doing a boxing, you're not focusing only on boxing, you focus like so many different things for your speed, for your agility, and for your hand and eye coordination. So yes, boxing is really good cardio, what I suggest and what I do especially for my cardio movements and their whole lockdown. In the morning and evening, if I don't have access for a treadmill or running or for cycling, morning and evening both time I do like 3 rounds of shadow boxing. And in upcoming video, yes, I will show you how you can do shadow boxing and how you can do different of boxing punches. So there is 6 different boxing punches. One is left that I showed you in the boxing basics. The second one is right straight punch, then third one is left uppercut, fourth one is right uppercut, fifth one is left hook, and sixth one is right hook. So please be in touch with Oxy channel. Do subscribe, like and share, and I will see you soon guys. Thank you so much.